Are you looking for the top 5 robot vacuum mops worth your money? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the robot vacuum mops on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1, that roborock Saros 10, our robot vacuum and mop, 22,000 Pascal suction, 3.14-inch ultra-thin design. The roborock Saros 10 redefines home cleaning with its ultra-slim 3.14-inch profile. Powered by the advanced Starsight Autonomous System 2.0, it eliminates the need for a raised LDS unit, unlike traditional bulky robot vacuums. It easily glides under beds, sofas, cabinets, and coffee tables, reaching hard-to-clean areas with precision. Perfect for homes that value both efficiency and elegance, it offers superior cleaning coverage in a sleek, compact design. Starsight Autonomous System 2.0. Experience smarter cleaning with advanced 3D sensing technology, enabling precise mapping even under narrow-legged furniture and suspended cabinets. The innovative VertiBeam lateral obstacle avoidance system navigates cables and irregular furniture with ease, cleaning along cords without manual intervention. Enhanced algorithms detect and adapt to 108 obstacle types, ensuring seamless and efficient cleaning across every corner of your home. Number 2, Eufy Robot Vacuum Omni S1 Pro Hydrojet System with Roller Mop. Groundbreaking Hydrojet Roller Mop System. Introducing the revolutionary robot vacuum and mop combos designed specifically for busy households. The Hydrojet system is equipped with an instant clean mop combo and a dual water reservoir loaded with ozonated water. These advanced robot mops refresh themselves in real time at 170 revolutions per minute, ensuring all-around cleanliness by removing even invisible dirt. With 1 kilogram of downward pressure, S1 Pro mimics meticulous hand scrubbing to effectively remove stubborn stain star. Asterisk, we do not recommend cleaning large amounts of liquid waste, as there is a risk of damaging the robot. 10 in 1 UniClean station. Offers auto emptying, auto washing, auto refilling, auto heated air drying, eco clean ozone, auto wastewater collection, auto detergent dispensing, LCD touch control, sealed dust bag, and 20% faster charging star. Enjoy hassle-free cleaning with this 10-in-1 powerhouse for automated and effortless maintenance. Asterisk based on Eufy internal tests. 20% faster charging compared to the previous generation product. Number 3, Yeedi 12 Pro Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Yeedi 12 Pro Plus is a powerful 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop designed to deliver a deeper, smarter clean for busy homes. Equipped with an impressive 11,000 Pascal suction, it effortlessly lifts dust, debris, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. Its advanced zero-tangle technology prevents hair from wrapping around the brush, making it ideal for pet owners. With true-edge deep mopping, the M12 Pro Plus scrubs right up to edges and corners for a noticeably cleaner finish. The intelligent auto-lift mopping feature raises a mop when carpet is detected, ensuring seamless transitions without wetting rugs. The compact mini Omni station handles auto mop washing, drying, and water management, keeping maintenance simple and hands-free. Smart mapping, precise navigation, and app control give you full command over cleaning schedules and zones. Sleek, efficient, and fully automated, the Yeedi 12 Pro Plus keeps your entire home spotless with minimal effort. Number 4, MAMNV Robot Vacuum and Mop, 11,500 Pascal suction, 3-in-1 robotic vacuum with smart LiDAR navigation. The MAMNV Robot Vacuum and Mop delivers powerful whole home cleaning with an impressive 11,500 Pascal suction to lift dust, debris, and stubborn pet hair from carpets and hard floors. Its advanced 3-in-1 system vacuums, sweeps, and mops simultaneously, ensuring every corner stays spotless. Equipped with smart LiDAR navigation, this robot maps your home with precision, creating efficient, zigzag cleaning paths while avoiding obstacles for a hassle-free operation. Enjoy up to 160 minutes of runtime, perfect for larger homes, and let the 70-day self-emptying station handle dust disposal automatically. No frequent bag changes or messy cleanups. Control your cleaning your way with the intuitive app, Alexa, and voice commands, making scheduling and customization effortless. Designed for busy homes with pets and kids, the MAMNV Robot Vacuum and Mop delivers powerful performance, smart navigation, and true hands-free convenience for a consistently clean living space every day. Number 5. Mova P50 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop. Mova P50 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop delivers next-level home cleaning with a massive 19,000 Pascal suction power designed to pull embedded dirt, pet hair, and debris from carpets and floors effortlessly. Equipped with an advanced anti-tangle brush, it prevents hair wrap for smoother, maintenance-free performance. The removable and liftable mop intelligently raises on carpets and deep cleans hard floors with precision. Its upgraded 167 degrees Fahrenheit high-temperature mop drying and washboard self-cleaning system ensures your pads stay hygienic, odor-free, and ready for the next cycle. With auto empty and auto refill, the P50 Pro Ultra minimizes daily chores by automatically emptying its dustbin and replenishing its water tank, giving you a hands-free cleaning experience. Smart mapping, multi-floor navigation, and app/voice control make the Mova P50 Pro Ultra the powerful, convenient solution for busy homes, pet owners, and anyone seeking a truly automated cleaning system.